Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from BJ Learn, and today or in this video I want us to talk about structured, semi-structured, and structured data. So let's start by talking about structured data. So when we talk about structured data, we are talking that data that is relational, data that is predefined as predefined fields and records. It is that data that has been arranged in rows and columns, the data that is qualitative or rather quantitative in nature. The data is that is easily searchable. You can sort, you can easily analyze. Such kind of data is can be seen. Rather, such kind of data can be seen in Excel files. We have SQL databases. These two structured data. And then example of the typical example of such kind of data is accounting data or inventory data, because they are arranged in rows and columns. So having known the structured data, now let's talk about unstructured data. So when you talk about unstructured data, is that data that has got no predefined fields. It has got no order. The data that has got no order, they are not arranged in rows and columns. And then mostly such kind of data is qualitative in nature, so they are used for qualitative analysis because they don't have any structure. So when you talk about text documents, audio files, images, video files, so such kind of data, we are calling them unstructured because they are not arranged in predefined fields or not arranged in rows and columns. And then we also have semi-structured, and semi-structured equally has a structured, and also it has some data that is not structured. So when we talk about when we take an example of JSON files where we have key value pairs. So the key value pairs and nested objects in JSON files are structured, but they do not have a rigid organization. Rather, they are not rigidly organized as a table. So they are semi-structured. So we have a little bit of structure, and again we also have disorganization within the semi-structured data. So the semi-structured data can also be organized in structured data through serialization. So we can serialize the data and then make it a structured data. So in semi-structured, we use tags for organization of hierarchy. And then now, having known the structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, we need to know these types of data to help us in storage solution. They can also help us in reducing cost, and then it also helps in performance because you know the type of data that you are dealing with, whether it is structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all about the structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. So next time when we come, we'll be talking about we'll talk about connectors, triggers, and actions. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.